Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to rotate image on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After open the PowerPoint, just open up any document and then select any slide. And you can see in my slide a image is already inserted. If you want to rotate this image, at first you have to just select it. Then you can find a tab which is picture format tab. Then just click here. After that, at the right side you can find arrange tab. Then just click on rotate option, and that's it. Now here you can see two options: rotate right 90 degree and another is rotate left 90 degree, and you can choose any option as you like. Suppose if I select rotate left 90 degree, and that's it. You can see it's rotate successfully. Now if you click here again and then click on more rotate options, and here you can see rotation, then just click here. And by clicking here you can easily rotate your image, and you can set any level as you want, and that's it. And that is how you can rotate image on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.